What do you understand by privileged communication? Ans. Privileged communication. Privileged communication in simple words means the communication which law does not allow to be proved or bring into notice of all. Section 122 of Evidence Act says, no person who is or has been married shall be compelled to disclose any communication made to him during marriage by any person to whom he is or has been married, nor shall he be permitted to disclose any such communication unless the person who made it or his representative in interest consents, except in suits between married persons or proceeding in which one married person is prosecuted for any crime committed against the other. So according to Section 122, any communication during the wedlock by husband to his wife or by wife to her husband is prevented from being proved in court of law. Section 123 prevents giving of evidence from unpublished official record relating to affairs of state except with permission from head of department concerned. Section 124 protects from communication made in official confidence where the public interest would suffer by such disclosure. Section 125 of Act prohibit disclosure of source of information regarding commission of any offence by police, magistrate or revenue officer. Then Section 126 of Act provide that no barrister or advocate shall be permitted to disclose communication made by his client or to state contents or conditions of document of which such advocate has become acquainted in course of or for the purpose of professional employment or to disclose advice given by him, unless such client consents to such disclosure. Section 128 then says, if any client gives evidence in any suit on his own, it does not deem to have consented to disclose, as is mentioned in Section 126. So Section 126 to 129 prohibit disclosure of professional communication between advocate or legal advisor and his client. This rule is founded with the intention to effectuate confidence between advocate and his client. In the absence of this rule, there is always insecurity in the mind of any client to give true disclosure to advocate.